Welcome to RD Home. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths.
Exercise 12.2 question number 2. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance walked towards the temple. See here, for example, this is the height of the boy. Here, how much here? Height of the boy is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. See here, 1.5 tall boy looking at the top of temple, which is how much? 30 meters height. Here, temple height is how much? 30 meters. That means here, the temple's height is equal to here 30 meters. This should be boy side. This is the temple height on the same ground. See here. They mention, see, angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. That means here initial angle of elevation is how much here? 30 degrees. This will be 30. That means you can draw here horizontal line. This should be 30 degrees. Initial angle of elevation. He walked towards the temple. That means here, for example, he traveled up to here. He walked towards the temple. Then the angle of elevation here almost 30 degrees. 30 degrees to here how much increased? 60 degrees. That means here from this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. In the question they are asking, see, find the distance he walked towards the temple. That means you need to find here this distance. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. See, for example, I am considering here, see, A, B, C. That means here AC is the height of the temple. Here how much? 30 meters. See, if it is 1.5 meters, this will be also 1.5 or not? Yes, 1.5 meters. If AB is equal 1.5, then BC is equal to how much? 30 minus 1.5 or not? 30 minus 1.5 means you will get here how much? 28.5. Yes or no? 28.5. If you are adding these two, you will get 30 or not? 28 plus 1. 29 plus 0.5 here, 0.5, you will get 1. That means total 30 meters. See here, let assume, that means here the distance between the boy and the temple here x meters. You can assume here total distance between the boy and the temple here x meters. If possible, you can let us assume here this is the y meters. You walk towards the temple here how much? Y meters. See, already A, B, C completed. Next you can see, for example, D. D is the height of the boy. If possible, you can take here F. C. EF. EF is equal to y meters. Then AD is equal to x meters. Now you can write the detailed solution from the figure. From the figure you can write here, therefore, the height of the temple, the height of the temple is equal to here, AC is equal to here 30 meters. Next here, the height of the boy, the height of the boy here DE is equal to here 1.5 meters. See here angle of elevation. Here how much here? See, angle BEC is equal to how much? 30 degrees. Angle BFC is equal to how much? 60 degrees. You can write here the angle of elevations. You can write here angle BEC is equal to 30 degrees and angle BFC is equal to here 60 degrees. Next, let the distance between the boy and temple is equal to x meters, and you can write here the distance walked towards the temple by boy is equal to here y meters. Yes or no? It is y meters. Now you can consider here two triangles. One of the triangle here CEB. One more here CFB. I am taking here from the triangle BEC. From the triangle BEC. Can I take here tan 30? Tan 30 value is how much? Tan theta. What is the tan theta? Opposite by here how much? Adjacent side. That means here opposite should be 28.5. Adjacent side will be x meters. So that I am writing tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite. You can write here AC by, you can write here BC. You can write here BC by BE. Tan 30 value is how much? Tan 30 value should be 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal. BC value is how much? BC value should be 28.5 by BE value. How much here? X only. So that you can do here cross multiplication. X into 1 here how much? X only. X is equal to here 28.5 into root 3. That means here implies X is equal to 28.5 root 3 meters. From triangle BAC, tan 60 is equal. That means here tan theta is equal BC by BF or not? Yes, BC by BF. What is the length of BFC? If the total distance between the temple and boy is x, the distance walked towards the temple is y. That means the remaining distance should be here x minus y or not? Yes, this should be x minus y. Yes or no? The total distance is x. Y is the distance traveled by the boy to the temple. The remaining should be x minus y only. That means you can write here 28.5 by x minus y. You can write here tan 60. From triangle BFC, here tan 60 is equal to here BC by BF. Implies tan 60 value is how much? Root 3. Root 3 is equal. BC value is how much? 28.5. BF value is how much? X minus y. Yes or no? Yes. X minus y. You can transpose x minus y to LHS. That means you will get here how much? Root 3 is root 3 into x minus y. Root 3 into x minus y is equal to 28.5. Root 3 into x minus y is equal 28.5. Already you know that x value is how much? X value is, see here, x value 28.5 root 3. You can substitute here. Implies I am writing root 3 into x minus root 3 into y is equal to here 28.5. That means here root 3 into 28.5 root 3. X value is how much? 28.5 root 3 minus root 3y is equal to here 28.5. Implies root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3 only. That means here can I write here 3 into 28.5 minus root 3y is equal to 28.5. You can simplify it. 3 5 ja 15. Here 3 8 ja 24 plus 1 25. Here 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. That means here 85.5 minus root 3y is equal to here 28.5. Implies you can transpose root 3y to RHS, 28.5 to LHS. That means can I write here 85.y minus 28.5 is equal root 3y. Yes or no? Yes. Then you will get here how much the value here 0.5 you will get 0. Here 5 minus 8. That means here 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. Next here 7. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. 57.0 is equal to here root 3y. Implies that means here root 3y is equal to here 57. Implies y is equal to how much? 57 by root 3. Y value is how much? 57 by root 3. You can rationalize the denominator. Therefore, how can you write here y is equal to 57 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Yes or no? You can multiply and you can divide with root 3. That means you are getting 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3 only. If possible, you can simplify here. If possible, you can simplify 3 1 ja. Here 3 1 ja 3. 27. 3 9 ja how much? 27. That means here y is equal to how much? 19 root 3. 19 root 3 is the distance travelled. Walked towards the temple. If possible, you can substitute the root 3 value is how much? 1.732. You can write here 19 into 1.732. Y is equal 19 into 1.732. You can simplify here 1.732 into 19. 9 2 ja here 18. Here 9 3 ja 27. 27 plus 1 28. Here 9 7 ja 63 plus 2. Here 65. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. Here 1 into 1732 you will get 1732 only. 1732. You're getting here how much? Here 8. Here plus 2. Here 10. Here 5 plus 3. 8 plus 1. Here 9. Here 5 plus 7. 12. 1 carry 1 plus 1 plus 1. You will get here around 32908. See here how many digits are there after decimal? 1 2 3. Here no, only 3 digits after decimal point. So that from here 1 2 3 you can put decimal point from right side is equal to how much? 32.908 meters. This is the solution. Therefore, you can write here the distance walked towards the temple. Here how much? 32.908 meters. This is the solution. See here question number 3. A statue stands on the top of the 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. See here, first of all, I am taking. See, this is the pedestal, 2-meter pedestal. Height here how much? The height of the pedestal is 2 meters. They mention a statue stands on the top of. That means here a statue here available. That means here we don't know the height of the statue. For example, I am considering here A, B, C. Here AB is the height of the pedestal. Here BC is the height of the statue. BC is the height of the statue. Once you can see here BC, that means here statue is the top of the pedestal or not? Yes. Now you can read the next point. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. For example, I am considering from this point. From this point, if I saw the top of the statue, this should be here how much? 60 degrees. That means you can draw here horizontal line. Here how many degrees here? 60 degrees. Next, you can see here from the same point. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, that means here B. Top of the pedestal is B or not? Yes. The angle of elevation of the same point to the top of pedestal is how much? 45 degrees. That means here. This should be 45 degrees. If I am considering this point as D. See here angle ADB. Angle ADB is 45 degrees. Angle ADC is 60 degrees. What they are asking, see, find the height of the statue. See, height of the statue is BC or not? Next, you can consider this as height of the statue is X meters. Yes or no? Yes. For example, you can consider the distance between the point and the pedestal is, I am taking here Y meters. Now you can draw. See here, I am writing. From the figure, the height of pedestal here is equal to 2 meters. Next you can see here, let the height of statue here BC is equal to X meters. Next, you can consider the distance between the point and the foot of the pedestal. That means here AD. AD is equal to here Y meters. Next here, angle of elevations. That means angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to here 45 degrees. And angle ADC is equal to 60 degrees. Now you can consider the triangle ADB. From the triangle ADB. From triangle ADB. You know that tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent or not? Here, that means can I write here AB by AD? Yes, you can write here. Tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by AD. Tan 45 value is how much? 1 only. 1 is equal. AB value is how much? 2. Tan 45 is equal 1 is equal. AB value is how much? 2. AD value is how much? Y. Then you can transpose Y to LHS. That means you are writing here how much? Y is equal to 2 meters. Y is equal to how much? 2 meters. See, in the triangle ADC, tan 60 is equal to AC by AD or not? Yes, AC means here how much? X plus 2. Yes or no? AC is equal to AB plus BC or not? Yes, that means here 2 plus X. That means here X plus 2 by Y. That means I am writing here C from triangle ADC. Tan 60 is equal to, you can write here AC by AD. That means here tan 60 value is how much? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to AC value is how much? X plus 2 by AD value is how much? AD means here Y. Ali, you know that Y value is how much? 2. You can substitute here. See here. Root 3 is equal to here X plus 2 by 2. The next step, you can transpose 2 to LHS. That means you are getting here how much? 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 is equal to X plus 2. Then you can transpose 2 to LHS. That means you can write here X is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. Yes or no? If I am transposing 2 to LHS, you will get 2 root 3 minus 2. Yes or no? I am rewriting the equation. X is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. Already you know that. Root 3 value is how much? 1.732. You can substitute here 2 into 1.732. 2 into 1.732 minus 2. That means here how much your value? See here 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14. Here point 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 here 3. 3.464 minus 2. X is equal to 3.464 minus 2. See, X is equal to 3.464 minus 2. That means here how much value here? See, 2 means 2.000. That means you are getting here, you can write the decimal point, part remaining same. See here 0.464. See here 3 minus 2. Here how much? 1 only. 1.464. X is equal to 1.464 meters. See here X means it is, see, X means it is the height of the statue or not? Yes. So that you can write here therefore the height of the statue, height of the statue X is equal to 1.464 meters. This is the solution. Just they are asking find the height of the statue.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos. To get latest updates, please subscribe.